think I want to install these as I make them. So I have to also make the piece that attaches here, because there's two pieces I'm replacing. Like over here, this is the one I made before, and then I'm replacing these two. And over there I took both pieces out. And I just made this one, so I'm going to make this one so I can put it together as I go. There are these things right here, and then there. And I have to replace them as I go because they kind of hold the thing up. If I took them all out at once, the whole thing would fall down. Alright, first order of business. Make the ball bearing holder area thingy parts. Yes, pipe. Good job, pipe cutter. I just skipped ahead a little bit. Cut that and spread it open. I spread it open by laying it on a piece of square stock and then smacking it, and then it like spread it open. Smacked it a whole bunch of times and moved it around. Left little grooves on the inside, but they're fine. Lots of hammer marks. That's fine too. And with any luck. Yeah, sweet. Oh. I think that's the one I made for that, yeah. That'll keep the bearings on the ends so they don't slide into the middle. Cool. I'm going to run a weld along there and there just to keep the whole thing from opening up. And then I had one more piece of this that was big enough to do the last one. After this I'm going to have to start making rectangle stock of my own. But I used my little bandsaw to cut that out. Smack these in and weld it all together. It'll all make sense soon. Oh, and here's the other one. I'll have to cut that out. Fit that in. Got to do some welding soon though. First, though, let's trace that right about where it needs to be. Yeah. Ooh, so pretty. Blibbity blip. Ooh, nice. I'll let that cool off for a minute. Wait to get that sucker out of there. That one goes in there. And that goes in there. Excuse me, sir. Oh, you need a bit of filing. That's better. Excellent. Okay, missing piece. Get you out of the way for a minute. Let's see, line that up right. I don't need my other hand for this. Oh, there we go. Cool. Somewhere around here there's a bolt that goes in the bottom. Okay, hey robot, can you lift yourself up like half an inch maybe? Oh wait, I have to do that. He's not plugged in. Plus if he was, he would go way too fast to stop at half an inch. Okay, I just have to go turn that thingy up there. Oh, you go back. I guess I'm gonna have to get out the vice grips. A few cranks that direction should take care of it. Oh, haha. I was looking at the wrong legs. It has to go the other way. I think I can just prop that against that bolt. Oh, don't slip. Oh, nice shot. That was like aimed perfectly. Get in there. Almost got it. Good. That's looking pretty good. Cool. One leg megafied. Oh, just 5 more to go. At least that one won't break. Man, that looks good. Dead sexy even. Ooh, that looks sexy. Nice legs, robot. Ow! I guess I get slapped for things like that. Ah yes, let me not forget to release the pressure. Good. You know what? That's good for today. Because the weather is so fun today! Ho ho ho! Ha ha ha! Ah, yes. I decided I needed a vacation, so I got on a train. Ah, yes, the city. Alright, I'm only here for a minute though. I'm taking off.
Should I get the car alarm?